CJ Del Vecchio with Warren Real Estate inside my listing at 223 North Albany Street, downtown Ithaca, New York. And as always, I'm here to show you a little bit of the inside. And if you'd like your own tour, of course, I'd be happy to get you in. So I'm standing right inside the beautiful entry, and this home boasts a lot of natural woodwork that is from this era, turn of the century, well, turn of the last century. And you can see these chestnut pillars here. There's hardwood floors pretty much throughout, except for in the bathrooms. And you have a big open living room. Let's come back around and show you the mission style staircase, really quite beautiful and dramatic. And coming back around here is the kitchen. It's a nice big kitchen with white cabinets and south-facing windows there. And it has stainless stove and refrigerator and a vinyl tile floor. You do have a formal dining room, which is, well, it's less formal now than it used to be. It has a bay window and open to the living room with a decorative brick fireplace. Take a closer look there. And again, looking back, bay window here in the living room. Quite spacious. And there's a peek into that entry again. And coming back to show pretty nice size dining room. Really, all the rooms are generous sizes in this house. Coming back around here, there's a garage off of the driveway here, and where I've parked my car today. And then this is the mudroom with half bath and laundry as well. So a peek there, and that's right off of the kitchen. So that's the first floor on 223 North Albany Street in downtown Ithaca. Let's take a look upstairs.